Organic Worm Castings by Soto here. It's a beautiful Monday morning, this June 29th, 2020. And what you're looking at is a worm bin I started on May 31st. I've already gone ahead and removed some of this brown paper, which not only acts as bedding, but also provides them with food. And because I have a new method that I started, which is the sling method, by using that paper sling, you can see the castings are made a lot more quicker than the way I used to do it. But with that being said, I have to go into this worm bed now and start removing some of the castings, which I've already done. I've placed them in this bin. I'd like to look under that cardboard there and see what's going on. The last time I checked that cardboard, it housed a lot of worms, and I'm certain that that's the case this time as well. Well, I'm going ahead and take out these brown bags or brown paper. I've already collected some here. Not only does that act as bedding, but that's also food for them. So I'd like them to get some more nitrogen in them, which is the food waste, and lay off some of this carbon. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing some more of this castings and place it into this bin for just temporary so that I can see what's going on. So I'll be right back when I get closer to the bottom. So I'm pretty much close to the bottom here. As you can see, the worms love it down there. So I want to remove this cardboard and slow them down just a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. And I just wanted to share with you, you need to do that too. If you're going to make yourself a sling, you want to make sure that you don't overfeed your worms. You find a balance between the nitrogen and the carbon. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of this layering of cardboard. And get the worms readjusted. So I'll just go ahead and finish up removing the rest of this carbon from the worm bin, and then just let them take care of business with what's already in there. And I thank you very much for coming by and watching my video. And if you are interested in seeing more, please hit the subscribe button. Until then, have yourself a great day. Black gold is the way to go. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.